Preserving internal structure is what I'm doing in order to preserve the stiffness, the integrity of this teeth, in order to enhance the long-term outcome. And in the same way, I want to preserve the internal structure of this teeth in order to enhance my future outcome. What I'm doing when I'm doing my prosthetic work, when I'm doing my prosthetic crowns, is the same. I'm just moving from preserving the internal structure to preserve the external structure. So this is the reason because I'm in love with vertical preparations, because vertical preparations are the perfect link between what I'm doing around the concept of biomechanics, from preserving the inner structure to preserve the external structure. And this is what we will see about the differences between vertical techniques. Because when we talk about vertical, there is not just one way to prepare vertical. We have different ways of doing vertical preparations. The main differences are about the drilling protocol, the depth of preparation, the emergence profile, and the prosthetic space that we are going to give to our technician. When we talk about vertical preparations, we will see that this is what we want, a vertical wall. But we will see that doing a vertical wall is not so straightforward.